Did you know? Most surveillance systems on the market are overpriced, incomplete, and a nightmare to maintain. But today, you're about to witness a game changer, the ACTi NVR 3 Demo Suite. This isn't just another NVR. It's a smart security core purpose-built for education, factories, and retail. With industry-leading analytics and seamless integration, you won't want to blink. It all starts now. 1. Recording, playback, and live view. ACTi NVR 3 supports unlimited channels and offers simultaneous live view and playback of up to 225 channels. Whether it's multi-classroom monitoring in schools, multiple production lines in factories, or multi-angle checkout views in retail, total control is just that easy. 2. Event management. From motion and line crossing detection to missing objects, full disk, network loss, and external alarms, ACTi NVR 3 reacts and records in real time. Whether it's an industrial emergency, campus incident, or retail theft, you're covered before, during, and after. 3. Intelligent video analytics. With built-in virtual fence, unattended object, and missing object detection, ACTi NVR 3 ensures high alert zones are covered with precision. From school gates to factory danger zones to retail access points, your response is faster and smarter, without buying extra AI modules. 4. Access control integration. Combine ID card access with live video verification. Every swipe is matched with footage to prevent impersonation, ideal for dorm entrances, factory warehouses, and backdoor access in retail. 5. Mobile notifications. Wherever you are, ACTi NVR 3 sends real-time text and video alerts to your phone. Security guards, campus officers, and store managers can act instantly. 6. Video push from mobile security officers can live stream video from their phones directly to the control center. Footage is also stored in the NVR for review. Incidents in factories, campuses, or stores are all documented. 7. Embedded websites. Embed ERP, POS, or logistics tracking systems directly into the NVR interface. Operators can monitor and operate simultaneously, with no added license costs. ACTi does what Milestone can't. 8. Thumbnail search video is displayed in a thumbnail grid. One click, instant playback. From theft to incidents, searching footage is now lightning fast. ACTi NVR 3 gives you Milestone-level power at half the cost, with no annual fees. Event management, access control, mobile ops, and smart search, all in one. Investigate faster, deploy easier, and get the best ROI. Click the link below now and try ACTi NVR 3 Demo Suite for free. The smarter, cheaper, better choice.